Alright guys, I'm going to start building my lumber rack right here because I have a huge pile of walnut over there. And I'd like to get it off the ground and up here on some shelving so that I can free up the shop space. I watched a lot of different videos on lumber racks, and I'm basing this off of several of them. I'll link them down below and you can check them out. With that being said, the lumber rack I'm going to be building is mostly based on the one built by the Wood Whisperer, with some modifications to fit my space. If you want the plans, visit his site. They are also free. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is take a 2x4 and screw it into this OSB and the 2x4 is behind it to create a baseboard. This is 7 foot 2.5 inches. I'm going to cut my 2x4. I'm going to drill some pilot holes in it now. Alright, now I'm going to screw this to the OSB. There's a 2x4 that runs horizontal behind it. I'm going to screw into it and use a level to level it. Now I put it up this high because that's where the 2x4 was behind it, and it'll allow me to store some storage bins underneath here or anything else on the floor. Now I'm going to measure how high to cut my 2x4s from the baseboard all the way up. We're going to go ahead and cut them at 8 foot. I went ahead and ripped the roundovers off to give it a cleaner look and to rip it down to the proper size. So I ripped the ends, the roundover ends on this 2x4 off, and I took a little bit more off on one end so that the bolt could make it through there and into the 2x4 and the wall. Now I'm going to put it on the wall and figure out where the 2x4s are located so I could drill a pilot hole for the bolt. This one's not going to need to be bolted in because it'll just be screwed to the post, but I'm using it to mark for the ones that do need drilled. I'm going to go ahead and screw this 2x4 onto the post with screws. There's no sound here because my microphone messed up and there was a lot of static. I just finished bolting these vertical pieces in, and I cut some 2x4s to put up at the top to kind of lock it in place, because I only have spots for 3 bolts. Here you can see how I use that little piece of 2x4 to kind of lock in the top. I'm going to go ahead and put the other ones in. I'm going to put the first shelf 54 inches up because of the cart that's going to go for the sheet goods. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark 54 inches. I'm going to cut some 6-inch strips out of this plywood. Next up is cutting these to 23 inches. Alright, I measured 3 inches over. And then basically the width of this 2x4 there. And I'm going to connect the two. Basically, I'm going to connect the two, form an angle to support the shelf. Like so. I'm going to cut this part off. It's going to be waste. I built a little jig with my crosscut sled to fit, hopefully fit this in. Well, that didn't work very good. Just gotta be careful, I guess. Okay, this is the end pieces because of the post. It's gonna go like that, get locked in, like so. First one's gonna go up here. So this is the edge piece. what it looks like. Alright, now to glue up the next one. Here's the next one. I have one screwed on already, just so I could test it out and see how it's gonna fit. Seems to fit fine. I'm gonna put the other ones on using a level. Here's how it looks with all of them in place. Now it's time to put some wood on them. So it's all done. As you can see, I went ahead and put the wood on there. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I wish I had more space to put more of the shelves up. That way I could extend it, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm glad I got the wood off the floor and up out of the way. It's gonna be really nice to have the extra space. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like.